You are stuck because you've opened your print-on-demand store, super excited about the whole thing. You started making designs left, right, and center. And right now you are stuck. You do not know what niche to design on, what to do next. So do not worry. Everyone gets to that creative block at some time. I went through it. So maybe you've tried the free ways of getting new niches and selling products for you to get inspiration from, but nothing is working. So do not worry. We've all gone through there. So today's lesson, we're going to talk about how to find print-on-demand niches that actually sell, how I do that. And the tools I'm going to show you, most of them are paid, but the beauty is that the tool like you're watching right now, this is Merch Informer, my main tool when it comes to searching for niches. Goes for around, I think, $9 a month. But if you stick with me, up to then, I'm going to tell you how to get it at 20% off. Yeah, imagine 20% off. So you can get started with this. So welcome. If you don't know who I am, my good name is XT Ndela, your favorite print-on-demand coach. And thank you very much for the privilege of your time joining me today in today's lesson on how to find profitable niches for your print-on-demand business. So let's do this. First and foremost, this is the tool, Merch Informer. This is what I use each and every day. So I'm not going to go through the whole tool and show you what it has, because I think Merch Informer have done an amazing job. Once you just log in, they have this amazing tutorials page taking you through everything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to save you the time and show you exactly what I do. So when you have the time, when you get through inside the software, go through everything. It has a lot to do. So first things first, I get over to not archive. I get over to keyword research, and then I come to niche hunter. That's what I do, and then I come to t-shirts, and then I search, and it's now just populating the most popular t-shirts on Amazon. You see, Amazon is the world's biggest merch platform. They sell a lot of t-shirts, a lot of print-on-demand products. It's actually the biggest print-on-demand platform in the world, with more than 2 billion people visiting the website. So Merch Informer is actually anchored on a lot of data from the biggest print-on-demand platform. So this is what I do. I head over here, click Niche Hunter, search, and then what I like doing, I set to 100 entries. So even before I decide what I want to design, first and foremost, there's so much. And all these t-shirts are actually ranked according to the search volume. So 267 people have searched for these t-shirts here. So the next group of people add this. I see the dad t-shirts doing well. Father's Day around the corner, so the dad t-shirts are doing well. T-shirts. Dad t-shirts are actually doing well. Funny t-shirts are doing well. Dad t-shirts, O'Neill, and a lot of you'd find some of them are actually registered in terms of trademarked. So you really can't design for them. I'm going to show you how I do that. How I just go and make sure I'm designing something that's not trademarked. I'm going to show you in a few. So I just go down and see what's happening. So there's so much inspiration, so much you can design. I don't want to go through all that because I've already selected what I want to show you an example for today. So I settled on that t-shirt, and I went for this. I went for this exact t-shirt. Dad of girls, #outnumbered. So first things first, how I design for trending t-shirts. I come to Merch Informer, Niche Hunter. I look, scan, I see what I want, what's trending. I click on it, and it takes me to Amazon. I look at it. I like. Through Niche Hunter, there's so many ways you can go through and check if the design is selling or not. That's a lesson for another day. It goes deeper, and I'm just showing you a quick rundown of what I do. I come here, that of girls outnumbered, so I search for this. First and foremost, you have to to do a trademark check, and for that I head over to TM Hunt, and I know Match Informer have their own trademark checking whatever, but I just love TM Hunt. I'm an old soul. When I started print on demand, I was more inclined to tools that are free. tmhunt.com is free, so search for it. If it's actually trademarked, if someone has registered this, no. Exact March, no. Partial March, no. It's actually clean for us, and it's good for us. We can actually design for that. So that is TM Hunt. I can close that. I can close this as well. Another thing I like doing, and this is another website. So let's say you're not a designer. You do not know how to design, but you can actually spot the trends early and jump on it. The way, if you have access to to Match Informer and other research tools, I love Match Informer. It's actually the most affordable ones. One of the most affordable, I think $9. Other tools go for almost $50. There's one I'm paying for almost $50. I'm going to show you. So Match Informer is fairly affordable, and you can get all these trends. Check on TM Hunt. You can also check trademarks over here. It has alerts and all that stuff. It goes deeper. You can do everything within Match Informer, but I'm just showing you another way. If you really can't afford Match Informer, you can go to TM Hunt as well. So Creative Fabrica is good as well. So when you come to Creative Fabrica, I've already searched that of Girls Outnumbered to save on time as well. Creative Fabrica. And do not worry about all these websites. I've linked them down below. You're going to get all the links below of everything I'm mentioning here. So do not worry. So you can see. So these are designs people have already made for you that you can sell for the Father's Day trend. So Dad of Girls Outnumbered. So different designs and all this stuff. And all this stuff is all trending. The hashtag is here, Dad of Girls, and you can buy this. And the beauty is that you can have, I think you can get 10 downloads for free if you want. Free trial, link below. You can get a free trial for like 10 downloads. Download this, see how they look like. If you want, it's like I think $3 a month, $40 a year, I think 50. Something like that. Creative Fabrica is really good. If you do not know how to design, if you want just to buy AI designs and all that stuff, Creative Fabrica is good. But I make my designs on Canva, and that's what I teach people how to do. I've already searched this on Etsy. Etsy is another website I love doing my research and checking out because it's one thing to see it trending here on Match Informer and Niche Hunt and all this stuff, but I need to be 100% sure what you're telling me, the design I want to actually design to actually get inspiration from is selling. So what I do, I head over to Etsy as well, and I'm actually searching, and I see this amazing snapback, Dad of Girls #outnumbered, and this trucker hat is actually selling. Look at this. This is insane. And just it's actually selling. Give me a second. Yes, it's actually selling $2,475. It's making $2,475 each and every month, with an estimated sales of 80 hats going each and every day. I mean, even each and every month. Imagine 17,000 views, 519 favorites. Amazing. This is crazy. So I already know this niche is selling. This design is selling. I can sell it on T-shirt. It can work on a hat. It can sell on a tote bag. It can sell on a sticker. It can sell on a phone case. And if you don't know, if you want to sell this, if you want to know how to sell and get more about this and learn about print on demand, where to sell things like this, there's a link below for my webinar. I'm also going to link it at the end of this video, so watch out for that. So that's how I basically get the trending niches using Match Informer. That is very quick. You can go through Match Informer and get so much more detailed research. And when it comes to print on demand, designers and sellers like me, we take a lot of time researching. Researching is one of the biggest things that you do. So the next thing we're going to do is actually make this design. It's very, very simple. I want to make this design, and for that, please join me in the next lesson. I'm going to break down how I make this very simple design that is actually selling more than $1,000 each and every month. And the tool I'm using right now is actually called Everbee. This one, I think I pay almost, I think, $40 a month just to research and get trends like this going on. So you might have gone to Etsy and then you're wondering why you can't see the numbers you're seeing here, because I'm paying for this exact tool. It's called Everbee. You can check it out if you want. But for a start, you really don't need these tools. People like us who've been in the game, and we're the ones who need these tools. You'll get there, but for a start, don't be stressed about it. So let's make this t-shirt in the next lesson, and I'm super excited about that. So that's how I research, that's how I get a trending niche, and that's how I know what to design about. Because in this business of print on demand, knowing what to design is half the work done, knowing what to design. Because you get into this game and then you find that you really want to design for everything that passes your eye looks good and amazing. But the most painful reality print on demand will teach you is that your feelings and what you think you love and what you feel, the colors you love, the designs and the icons really do not matter. Your creativity and your brains and your passion do not matter in this business. What matters is statistics, the data. It is exactly what people are asking for. And tools like Niche Hunter, Match Informer, tools like Everbee and all these other platforms help you. And if you can't design, if you can't make your Canva designs, platforms like Creative Fabrica actually are there to help you and to assist you. So we're gonna make a design in the next lesson. But if you're there, you're asking for the Creative Fabrica free trial, you can get using this. Scan this code. You can get all the AI graphics and your fonts from Creative Fabrica. All my fonts actually from Creative Fabrica. Have an amazing array of fonts. If you haven't watched the fonts video, please make sure you watch the type of fonts every print on demand creator needs to use. Check it out. Niche tool, that is Match Informer. If you want to get it at 20% off, scan this code. And when you're checking out, if they ask you for a code, they might not ask you, but if they ask you for a code to get the 20% off, that is a code, XTNDella, just my name, 100, just full name, XTNDella at the end, and then you get 20% off. And if you want to know where to sell your t-shirts, if you're new into this thing called print on demand, you want to know where to sell this t-shirts, how to do the whole shebang. We're designing a hat in the next lesson. If you want to know where I'm selling that hat I'm designing, have a free lesson. It's a free webinar that's going on right now. So scan this code, you join it right now. And I'm waiting to see you on the other side. My good name is XTNDella. Thank you very much for joining me in today's lesson and finding the best niche for your print on demand store. Thank you very much. See you on the next one.